So coming to your school, I find that the system is good here, and also the facilities are very good. And I think your teachers is the best resource.
Thank you very much, students. I am so blessed with the sunshine. Thank Mr. Naveen. Thank you very much for your warm welcome, but also your hospitality. Thank you.
ये जो फ्रांस इंटर्नशिप है, it's not all about going only for the internship. It will give you an insight of a culinary, because IIHCA is more towards skilling into the culinary field, है ना? तो आप सभी लोग जब एक right track में आते हैं तो this comes all together.